Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today I'll be making a smoked chicken and jalapeno cheese sausage gumbo. I'll make a foolproof roux in the smoker. We'll use these baby back ribs, jalapeno cheese sausage, and this whole chicken. Now what's the first step to making a gumbo?
First, you make a roux.
I have here 1/2 cup beef tallow and 1 cup all-purpose flour. Now if you've ever made a roux, you know that they burn very easily if you don't stop stirring. I'm going to show you a foolproof way to make it in the smoker where you don't have to stir it constantly. Now I have the workhorse pit at 325 degrees. I'll place this cast iron Dutch oven in the hottest part of the grate. This will take about 3 hours, only stirring every 30 to 45 minutes. Now let's get our chicken ready. I'll be cutting down both sides of the backbone. This will allow me to lay the chicken flat so it cooks evenly. I'm seasoning with Meat Church Holy Voodoo. Most of the skin will be taken off before it's chopped, so there's no need to go too heavy on the rub. Try to get some down on that breast meat though. I'll be smoking these baby backs the same way. Go ahead and get them out of the package, get that membrane off, and we're going to season with the same Holy Voodoo. Now these are ready to go in the smoker with the roux. Now I'll get the vegetables chopped. We have here 1 yellow onion, 3 stalks of celery, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno. So it's been about 30 minutes. Let's check on the roux and give it a stir. Now traditionally rice is served with gumbo. But if you've ever had potato salad with your gumbo, you'll never go back. I'm going to show you how I make a Creole style potato salad that goes great with gumbo. I'll start with dicing up these 3 pounds of red potatoes. Now I'll cover with water and put on high heat. And I'll add this concentrated shrimp and crab oil, about that much. A couple of big pinches of salt, and bring to a boil. After about 20 minutes, they should be cooked, not mushy. Drain the water and put them in the fridge. Now it's been about an hour total. Let's give the roux another stir. Still no burning. Now the potatoes have been cooling in the fridge for a couple hours. Let's get the rest of the ingredients together. We have here about a cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon or two of this Creole mustard, and a half cup of our diced onions, bell peppers, and celery, and season with some more holy voodoo. And just a taste to see if anything else is needed. That's good. And here we are at 3 hours. Chicken's reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Ribs are ready to be wrapped. We'll add these jalapeno cheese sausages and give the roux another stir. After the chicken's rested about 30 minutes, we'll go ahead and remove the skin from the meat, save these legs for later, and give this meat a good chop. Sausage was fully cooked when we put it on. It's heated through now. We'll go ahead and give that a chop also. So it's been about 3 hours and 45 minutes total. We'll go ahead and get this roux off and finish our gumbo. Now to this roux, we'll go ahead and add our onion, bell pepper, celery, and jalapeno. Give that a stir, and this will cook until the vegetables are soft and the onions are translucent. Now this is cooked about 5 minutes or so. We'll go ahead and add the garlic, cook for about another minute, and it'll be time to add the broth. Now I'm adding 6 cups of chicken broth. Couple of bay leaves, couple of big pinches of black pepper, and some Tonys. Next we'll add our jalapeno cheese sausage. Bring that to a boil, and then we'll add our chicken. Bring to a boil again, turn it down to low, and cover for about an hour. Here we have our finished gumbo, rich dark color, meaty with all that chicken and sausage. Let's give it a taste. We'll start with a big scoop of this Creole potato salad. Ladle on the gumbo. Add one of our chicken legs. One of our baby back ribs. A smoked soft boiled egg. And some green stuff. Make sure our bite has some of that creamy potato salad, piece of sausage. That's a good gumbo. And let's give this rib a try. Perfect addition to gumbo. Well, once again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos if you haven't. Leave me a comment down below, and thanks for watching.